Route 1, Pontiac, Duvarin. From the Blake Transit Center area, from the stand on 4th Ave, we're going to continue north on 4th Avenue. This is the outbound 1 Pontiac. At the light is Liberty Street. We're going to make a right turn. Heading east on Liberty, there are no stops to service on Liberty Street. We're here at 5th Avenue. The next light is Division. That's where we will make a left turn onto Division. Continuing east on Liberty. Make a left stoplight, which is Division. There's one stop to the right prior to Washington, after in which you want to get over to the middle lane as the right lane becomes a right-hand turn lane. We're here at Washington. There are no more stops until after we have crossed over Huron. Huron Street. This stretch is also a shared route with the 2C as well as the 17. Make certain that your intending passengers know which bus route you are. Again, this is a shared route with the 17. We want to keep straight. We don't want to make the turn as that white truck did. That is the 17 route. We're doing the Pontiac, Route 1. Continue straight across the bridge as this street turns into Broadway. The first light here is Swift. There is a stop just on the other side of this light. After you service that light, you want to get over to the left as soon as you can, for we're making our left turn at the next light, which is Moore. It's Moore to the left, Maiden Lane to the right. Service your stop here. You want to get over as quickly and safely as possible. make our left here at Moore. And as we make this right turn, this is a time point. We also want to make certain that we clear the train tracks with caution. We're now proceeding north on Pontiac. We're going to be on Pontiac for a little ways. There's several stops to service. Also, make certain to remember that the Ann Arbor crosswalk rules are in effect. Anytime you see a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, you must yield the right of way to the said pedestrian. Northside Park on the right side. Approaching Barton Drive at the light. We're going to continue straight through, continuing north on Pontiac. We have the Rudolph Steiner High School to the right. Approaching Arrowwood, the Arrowwood community. This stop is a time point. Arrowwood Hills Cooperative. Notice the stop. We're just going to continue on Pontiac. Our next turn is a right turn on Duvarin. When you see the arrows to the left indicating that you're going to go into a bend, be prepared to make your right turn as Duvarin comes in on the right hand side. It's here we're going to make our right turn. Coming up on our left side is the Food Gatherers and the Food Gatherers community. On Sundays, the Pontiac #1 only goes to Food Gatherers. You'll see the orange carrots pop up on the left-hand side. On Sundays, you will make your left and go into the roundabout there. That ends the 1. It doesn't proceed past this point. Any other time, Monday through Saturday, you are to continue as thus down Duvarin. Again, that concluding at Carrotway is only for our Sunday routing. Proceed over the tracks with caution. Coming up on Duvara and Almosad, this intersection is a time point. I'm going to continue east on Duvara. Approaching the stop sign is Nixon. It is here where we will make our right turn. As you can see in balance there, our inbound number 1. When we get to this stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. At the bottom of this hill, we're going to make a right turn. So when you see that school crossing sign, you know your turn's coming up. We're going to make our right turn onto Traver at this point. Alright, you have the Logan Elementary School, very popular destination. Highly residential area, this Traver area. Just going to proceed on Traver. About another 1/10 of a mile, and then we're going to make our left turn onto Tubingen. You'll notice the little creek in the recessed walkway onto the left side. I like to utilize that opening down there to the left as a landmark that my turn's coming up. Tubingen here, we're going to make a left turn. See our stop in the balance. This is a highly used bus stop. We can only turn one way, which is left. After turning left, this places us on Huron Parkway. We're just going to follow it around. To the left, we have the Traver Ridge Apartments. On the right, we have an Ann Arbor Public Library, a very popular library, Traver Wood Library. We're going to keep straight on Huron Parkway. Once we have reached the crosswalks here, we want to yield to any cars that are coming our way. We're going to make a right turn here. That's going to place us on Nixon Road. Again, we're approaching Plymouth Mall from this point. Plymouth Mall is a time point. It may look familiar. This is also shared with the 2s. The 2A, the 2B, and the 2C. After passing the Plymouth Mall stop, we want to get over in the left-hand lane. We want to make a left turn onto Plymouth. Making our left onto Plymouth. Coming up is Huron Parkway at the light. We want to make a right turn. Huron Parkway here, making a right turn. The North Campus Research Complex on the right side. If you're doing a morning number 1, that's a popular destination, as well as an afternoon. Be mindful of the deer crossing. High concentration of deer in this area on North Campus. Upon reaching the red light, that is Hubbard, we will make our right turn. Again, a reminder to exercise extreme caution and patience with the crosswalk law here on North Campus as well as all over Ann Arbor. And be mindful of the university, the Blue Michigan University buses. We'll be sharing the roadway quite a bit with them here at North Campus. It turns into Haywood at this intersection. Hubbard does. We just want to keep straight. Continuing forward at the stop sign, we will make our left turn. Notice off to the right there is a black architectural structure, a monument of sort. I use that as a point of reference to make my left turn here. You can also use that as a reference point when operating the 22 connector. Making a left onto what is known as Beale Street. We're just going to stay straight on Beale. It turns into Bonesteel, which is going to place us at the end of the line at Pierpoint Commons. just want to keep straight. Just prior to the stop sign, which is Murphy, we will be approaching Pier Point Commons. This is the end of the outbound #1 Pontiac here at Pier Point Commons.